Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on e-commerce solutions with Shopify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on e-commerce solutions with Shopify, start by assessing your business needs. Identify the features you require, such as payment gateways, shipping options, and inventory management. Next, visit the Shopify website to explore their pricing plans. Consider starting with the basic plan if you're just launching your store. This plan offers essential features at a lower cost, allowing you to test out the platform. Look for discounts or promotions that Shopify may be offering, especially for new users. Once you sign up, take advantage of the free trial to familiarize yourself with the interface. Use this trial period to set up your store and explore the available apps. Shopify's App Store contains various free and low-cost apps that can extend your store's functionality. When choosing themes, opt for free ones initially to save money. If a premium theme catches your eye, assess whether it offers significant benefits to justify the cost. For payment processing, utilize Shopify Payments to avoid additional transaction fees. Research third-party payment processors to compare rates and features. Ensure that you set competitive shipping rates to attract more customers without losing money. Consider using Shopify's built-in analytics to track sales and customer behavior. This data can help you make informed decisions and save on marketing costs. Explore social media integrations to drive traffic to your store organically. If you plan to run ads, start with a small budget and scale based on performance. Review your expenses regularly to identify areas where you can cut costs. Finally, keep an eye on Shopify's updates, as they occasionally offer new features and savings opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.